Hello students, today we learn how to write A. A, A, A for apple. So you know, A for apple, A for apple, A for apple, A, 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 A for apple, B for ball, A, 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 A. A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. So students, A for apple. A, A, A. A for apple. So this is how we write a letter. Thank you. Bye bye.